In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send test staff notifications to recipients. This process is incredibly useful when you want to ensure that your notifications are set up correctly before going live. Let's walk through these steps together so you'll be able to confidently send test notifications whenever you need. First, let's begin by launching your application and navigating to the main interface. Here, your focus will be on locating the settings icon, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking on Settings is the gateway to customizing various aspects of your application, including notifications. Once you've entered the Settings menu, direct your attention to the option labeled Notifications. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing how information is communicated to your staff. By selecting Notifications, you unlock the controls to tailor how and when alerts are delivered. Now, within the Notifications section, you will see a category specifically for staff notifications. This area specifically handles all communications intended for your team members. Selecting Staff Notifications will bring up a list of the current notification recipients you have established. Next, let's locate the recipient for whom you wish to send a test notification. Once you find the correct staff member in the list, you'll notice a 3 dots icon positioned next to their name. This icon is your next click point. By selecting the 3 dots, you'll reveal a drop-down menu of additional actions you can perform for that recipient. One of the options you'll see in this drop-down menu is Send Test. This option is designed to send a mock notification to your chosen staff recipient's details, allowing you to verify that everything is properly configured and functioning as intended. Go ahead and click Send Test. At this point, the system will generate a test notification that will be sent directly to the contact details associated with that staff member. This mock alert allows you to experience firsthand what your staff members will see once real notifications are in place, thereby ensuring that no critical information gets missed. And just like that, you have successfully sent a test staff notification to your selected recipient. This entire process is straightforward and provides immense value in maintaining clear, effective communication within your team. By testing your notifications, you're taking active steps to guarantee that when it matters most, your message gets through unimpeded. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide on sending test notifications. Keep practicing these steps, and soon you'll master the art of seamless staff communication. Remember, thorough testing now means optimal performance later, so take full advantage of these controls and ensure your setup is top-notch.